Air intake filters are critical for protecting turbomachinery from harmful particles in the air. But selecting the best filters has always been confusing and time-consuming. That's because the turbine industry has been rating filters based on multiple standards that are not comparable. And all of these standards were developed for comfort applications and clean rooms, not turbomachinery. But now there's a new standard developed specifically for turbomachinery air intake filters, ISO 29461. This new standard is based on input from turbine experts from around the world. It is much more relevant for gas turbines and makes it easier to select filters that will perform the best and last the longest. ISO 29461 is the first standard that rates medium and high efficiency filters based solely on mechanical efficiency. It also reports dust holding capacity, DHC, for the full range of GT products. Mechanical efficiency is important because it indicates a filter's true efficiency. An electrostatic charge can quickly dissipate in the field, causing efficiency to plummet and putting your turbine at risk. And DHC measures the quantity of dust captured by a filter until a specified threshold is reached. It's a good indication of the expected life compared to another filter of equal class. ISO 29461 replaces and consolidates the other filter classifications into 13 T-efficiency classes that are relevant for turbomachinery. T1 to T4 filters capture only the largest, coarsest particles in the air. T5 filters are rated on their efficiency at capturing at least 50% of the mass of particles equal to or smaller than 10 microns. T6 filters are rated on their efficiency at capturing at least 50% of the mass of particles equal to or smaller than 2.5 microns. T7 to T9 filters are rated on their efficiency at capturing at least 50% of the mass of particles equal to or smaller than 1 microns. T10 to T13 filters are EPA HEPA level filters, rated at their most penetrating particle size value. The higher the filter rating, the better the filter is at capturing smaller particles, leading to higher engine performance. This rating system was designed as a consistent way of classifying the entire range of filtration products for turbomachinery. That's why it's important to ask for ISO T classes. So now when you get quotes from multiple vendors, you can be confident that the filters are directly comparable. But efficiency ratings are just part of the picture. You need to look deeper to determine a filter's true performance level. That's where the value rating can help you. It translates the new ISO standard test report data into engine performance data that is meaningful for your operations, so you can evaluate the impact filters will have on power output, fuel consumption, and CO2 emissions. When you compare two filters with the same T efficiency rating, they could have very different value ratings. That's because the value rating considers efficiency, pressure drop, and dust holding capacity, which can vary from filter to filter. One filter might have a better output rating, meaning that it will help you maintain a higher output. Maintaining a higher engine efficiency also means a lower fuel penalty. Your engine will require less fuel, saving you a lot of money. And when your engines burn less fuel, you produce less CO2, saving even more money on carbon taxes. So use the new ISO standard to create a short list of filters. Then use the value rating to make a selection that will optimize the performance of your turbines. Visit www.camfil.com/ISO 29461 to learn more.